Okay, today is the 9th of March, 2025. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and grab one of these boxes. Must be like day 8 or something. So what I'm doing is I'm just showing an ongoing progression of a project. I think this might be project 8. But so what I'm doing now is I'm going to take one of these out. So I'm going to pull all these out, and then I'm going to restack this with fresh dirt. Same thing with all these here. Now, I might be able to get away with not doing nothing to that one, but you can see how small that dirt is. It's gone way down because the soil that I had in there, compost, has broken down, and it's leaving the roots kind of shallow. Now, I rebuilt all these in the last 5 days, 10 days. All these have been rebuilt, and I'm getting ready to finish. Well, probably get close to finishing between today and tomorrow, and I'll show you how it all looks finished. And so I'll go over there and prep that and pause you. Typically what I do is I will take a wire and run it from here to here, but this was kind of a shorter one. I don't see the need for that, so it's been like that for a year or two, and it did just fine. So what I do is there's ants everywhere. They're kind of being like the bees. They can sense the weather changing, getting warmer, and the ant queen is making a bunch of babies and out looking for food. So they're on everything. They're all over the place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prep this one and show you what it looks like when it's done. Please subscribe.